Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which is called acceleration. Before talking about this topic, I want to introduce a new concept. Yes, it's called mass. Uh, let us thinking about as you glide forward with nothing pushing you horizontally, what prevents your speed and direction from changing? Yes, obviously, it's math. Um, everything, everything in the universe has a mass, and the mass measure is the measure of initial your resistance to the change in your velocity. You will change your velocity only if something pushes on you. I mean, only if something uh, exerts a force on you, and you will keep moving steadily on a straight line or on a straight path until something exerts a force on you to stop you or send you in another direction. Um, at present, as for uh, force, it is a vector quantity. I mean, it has both magnitude and direction. After all, a push to the left is different from a push to the right. Let us get down to the business. I mean, let us talk about the topic acceleration. Uh, to begin with, we needed to make a clear definition about it. Uh, when something pushes on you, your velocity uh, changes, and this is a phenomenon of acceleration. Um, the acceleration measures the rate in which your velocity is changing with time. Any change in your velocity is accelerating, whether you are speeding up, slowing down, or turning your direction. And uh, in order to make you better understanding uh, this concept, acceleration, uh, we needed to uh, take some example to explain it. As you see in this picture, uh, in this PowerPoint, we can say this is a this is a escape speeding race in the world, and many players from all over the world will take part in this race. We can we can imagine that uh, when the players are at the starting line of the race, they are trying their best to accelerate to change the velocity, and this is a typical acceleration phenomena. And if someone who are behind some players want to get a better position so that they can obtain an opinion, uh, these players will turn their direction and change their velocity as quickly as possible. And this uh, phenomena represents two parts of acceleration: the change of velocity and the change of the direction. Um, you know, if the race is long distance, the players uh, need to accelerate their velocity in a long time, and they will take take more time to get up to the first speed. So at that time, the acceleration is small. However, if they plan to sprint, and they needed to try the best to get the uh, get the speed faster, and the acceleration is larger. than before. Um, so this picture explains deeply in detail to explain the phenomena of acceleration. Once you are going fast enough, you can stop fighting inertia and begin to glide. You coast forward at a constant velocity. Now, inertia is helping you. It keeps you moving steadily along, even though nothing is pushing you forward. I mean, at that time, we needed to notice that we are ignoring friction and air resistance. In reality, uh, those effects push you backward and gradually slow you down as you glide. Um, Finally, the race is over and you get to stop. You are accelerating again, but this time in a backward direction. Although we often call this process deceleration, it's just a special type of acceleration. Your forward velocity gradually diminishes until you come to rest. So now, do you understand the meaning of the acceleration?